Hi, everybody. My name is Natalia Willett, and I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida. And I wanted to talk to you about the importance of getting a title search done before you make your purchase. So, one of the big issues that comes up for parties that do not do title searches is that they have surprises, and some of those can be very painful surprises when they acquire a piece of real estate and have failed to do a search. So, some of the big surprises include if you purchase a property in a homeowner association and didn't check to see if there was a recorded lien by the association, now you're going to get stuck with possibly tens of thousands. I've seen up to $50,000, $60,000 in association dues that you are going to be responsible for, that you could have prevented yourself from having responsibility over had you just done a simple title search. Two, the possibility that if you bid at a sheriff's sale, you could completely lose on that piece of property and have no recourse in order to get your attorney's fees and costs as a result, because the creditor who requested the sheriff's levy sale failed to record a certified copy of the final judgment for whatever sum of money they were owed in the official records of the county where the property is located, skipped straight to asking for a writ of execution to be issued for the sheriff, and as a result creates a void sale for you. And now you're stuck trying to get this thing undone and trying to recoup as many costs as possible and having no other recourse. So it's a big one. And three, of course, if you don't do a title search before you purchase, you are not going to make yourself aware as to what other liens are out there. Is there an IRS liens that's attaching to this property? Are there county, city liens that are outstanding for mowing, demolition, whatever other reason might be out there? You need to make yourself aware, and you need to pay attention to those per diems that are listed in those recorded liens. And finally, for those of you bidding at mortgage foreclosure auctions, it is absolutely essential that you do a title search, because you want to make sure that you are bidding at a foreclosure sale with full knowledge of the priority of that mortgage that you are going to be acquiring through. And that's because oftentimes people refinance their house. They've refinanced many, many times over, and they have, as a result, several mortgages that are still valid on their property. And you might think that you're bidding at a first position mortgage, but you're bidding at a second or third position mortgage. And a title search could have informed you of that circumstance. A title search can also give you a good idea of about how much you should bid for those properties. If it's something with an incredibly high amount of liens, then you should not be bidding very much on that particular piece of property. So get informed. It is well worth the investment of getting a good title search done before you go and bid, and be aware of these possible hazards that you can make sure are not part of your property transaction by simply getting that title search done. Good luck out there, investors.